You see the list, then you mention. It will not be possible, sir. There are so many applications.
Your Lordship,
Nothing doing.
Your Lordship, the petitioner is a 21-year-old woman and she is preferring a writ petition for the medical termination, Lordship. Lordship,
Sir, I am
Lordship, she is a pregnant woman of 25 weeks, Lordship. The matter was heard in part, Lordship, and your Lordship,
heard in part by whom?
Lordship, by Justice Kant, Lordship.
Both before the honorable
Lordship.
judge who heard in part. Why before this bench?
Lordship, because the determination with your Lordship.
Somebody heard in part, did not get the order, and now you come, so I have to hear it
No,
afresh.
Lordship, all.
So wastage of judicial time, you can understand.
Lordship, all the
this?
compliance have been done, Lordship. The medical board has submitted its report, Lordship. Lordship, the petitioner is a 25 weeks pregnant, Lordship. She is praying for the termination, Lordship.
Is it not marked hard in part?
No, Lordship, it is not marked as heard in part. And
Alright,
it is
give the
running as
number.
item 156, Lordship. If
Today's list, item 156.
Yes, Lordship. Yes,
Who is your
Lordship.
other side?
Your Lordship, Somen Chatterjee is appearing. I have informed
Serve
him.
notice 115, please come.
Yes, Lordship.
May I request for a
Slip
date?
is not required, it's already there.
Millets,
Bring your other side at 115. I'll see what is
may I
to be done.
request for a date, Millets? That's all. Can I request for a
Your
date, Millets? That's all. May I request for a date? That's all, Millets. Whenever we can come, Mr. Chidambaram can come and lead us any
Date
day.
is there.